Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to review some trades that I took this week on EURCAD, Euro USD and JBP USD, I think. So let's move quickly into the video. Um so this week, one of the ways that I select the pairs that I want to trade is using the economic calendar, that is the news that are coming up during the week. This week, Monday, there was no trade. Monday, there was no news for DSY. Tuesday, there was no news for DSY, but we had card CPI. So on Tuesday, I was looking forward to trading card pairs, and I didn't want to trade the USD card, though it is a pair that I trade. But I wanted to trade Euro card based on the price action that I was seeing. So let's do this quickly. From the weekly time frame, I had this range low, and then we have this range high right here. So daily range high, daily range low on the weekly. This is the new week that we are trading in. So let's go to our daily time frame. Now we had this bullish expansion here, this quick retracement, and we reacted off this. We were respecting this daily order block here. So when we saw this reaction of this daily order block, this is kind of internal range, from internal range targeting external range liquidity on the weekly time frame. So on the daily, I had a bullish bias. I had to allow Monday trade so that we can have a fair idea of what Tuesday may be doing. So after Monday trading, let's go to, yes, Monday's trading. Now you see this same pattern on the daily expansion, retracement, expansion. When you go to the 4 hour time frame, you are seeing the same thing. Monday we expanded, and going to New York close, we are seeing this retracement into Monday's range. So on Tuesday, with the news, I was expecting another expansion targeting previous day's high, which is Monday's high. Let's go quickly to the 1 hour. So this is Monday's trading, kind of bullish, but because there was no news, I didn't want to trade. Now we had this bullish expansion. We're having this quick retracement, and on Tuesday the news was around, card news was 12:30, I think. Let me go to the 15 minutes time frame. Once again, I utilize power of 3 or the AMD schematic: accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So here is Monday's trade, and we expand from New York. So this is New York session trading. So this low right here, which is typically the low of the day, and the high of the day, which is previous days high, right? And let me use this for previous days low, and then previous days high. So we opened on Tuesday, power of 3. We opened right here, we opened on this candle, and then we dropped. So open, low, expansion, high, and close. Open, low, expansion, high, and then we close here. Apart from that, also I was looking at this accumulation, manipulation into Monday's range, and then expansion. Accumulation here, consolidation, manipulation into Monday's range, and then we expand. Let's go to the 5 minutes time frame, because I like using the 5 minutes for my entries. Now let's look at, well, then let's let's use the 15 minutes. So yeah, I tried taking a trade on Monday, but it was a loss, and because there was no news, I didn't want to force it. I had to wait for Tuesday. So you see the trade here. We entered, right, the news was 1230 CAD CPI. So we entered on this candle, and then we previous day's high, we didn't take partials because we had much more hope in where price was going. So we expanded. This was the high of the day, and because I didn't want to take partials, I was trailing the stop losses. I was trailing the stop loss, so unfortunately it tagged me out. And on Wednesday, we had the same setup here. We trade into Monday's range, and then we expand. That's literally the same setup here. We trade into Tuesday's range, and then we expand. The same thing. So we open here, low, high, close. We open, we drop, expand, high of the day, and then we close, power of 3. So that's how we call this trade daily expansion. I think this was about 44 pips, 46 pips, 46 pips, sorry, 46 pips on. So that was for card. Let me see if I can do the euro usd euro usd euro usd was on. Let me start from the weekly. So last week we had this bullish candle, strong expansion, bullish expansion candle. So this week I was expecting bullish candle, since on the weekly time frame we were targeting this old higher buy side liquidity. Our general liquidity was on the weekly time frame. So on Monday no news, Tuesday no news, Monday no news, Tuesday no news for DSY pairs. On Monday, no news. I didn't trade it, though we had this nice expansion. Tuesday, I didn't trade it, though we had this nice expansion. On Wednesday, I can't even remember the news that we had on Wednesday. Oh boy, what news was on Wednesday for DSY? DSY on Wednesday. On Wednesday. I can't remember, guys. But I took this trade right here. Okay, I think on Wednesday there was no news for DSY. There was no news for DSY. It was FOMC minutes back. That was at 2 p.m. New York time, I think. Let me do this really quickly. The same thing. This actually utilizing accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Power of theory once again. So my setup basically is I'm looking for some form of accumulation. Most importantly, beginning to capture the daily expansion, I'm looking for some form of accumulation. If we are bullish, accumulation, and then we manipulate into previous days range. So previous days low was here, and then previous days high was here. So we are consolidating throughout landing into New York open. We manipulated into this previous days range, and then of course the next is expansion. It is all market cycle. We move from consolidation, and then we expand. From expansion we can get um, reversal or retracement. So we consolidate right here, we expand into previous days range, and then we reverse, targeting the previous week side, which was here. So let me quickly show that. Let me use a 5 minutes time frame, and then there's it. Again, I didn't want to take partials because I had much more expectation for the trade, but I was trading stop losses, and then it stopped me out. So accumulation or consolidation, manipulation with the news. So we have sell side liquidity, SSL stop count. Let me use. I don't want this video to be long, So we had this um, sell side liquidity stop hands. So we run stops on this sell side liquidity. We consolidate engineer liquidity here, engineer liquidity here. With the news, we manipulate, and then lower time frame market structure shift or changing the state of delivery, and then we expand. I think this trade was also um, my mouse is messing up. So we got closed around 35 pips, but the actual expansion was almost 50 pips. So we left quite a lot on the table, about 20 pips, but it was still, worth it. 30 pips trying to capture the daily expansion was great. This was Thursday's trade, and well, I'll review that later on during weekly review. So this was Euro USD trade that we took. Nice trade, nice setup, nice entry. Once again, we accumulate, we manipulate, and then we reverse using power of three. We open, we drop, make the low of the day, and then expand. Since we are bullish targeting those previous weeks high. If we were wanted to use a quick scalp, 24 pips, targeting the weekly old high that we were, trying to capture for as our drawn liquidity. So that's it for reviewing those trades. I hope you enjoyed it, and until I see you again, good luck and good trading. Bye bye.